We start 1972. We move over. And then 1987 for wholesale. So we keep going. People coming and more. So over here, the people very friendly. So when we come over 1972, move over, we get very hard time. We don't speak English good, and then we work 7 days a week. Make me healthy. My phone back.
Mày up here?
He done. Oh, we get Manapua, char siu, roast pork, lao, pork heads. Manapua is very famous. They remember the Manapua man. So always they like what we have.
1 Manapua, 1 case pork out. If you're looking for Manapua, Lee's is the best. No doubt.
Every day we make 1,100. We sold out, we know enough. That's all. Where is my friend? Her port, we pick. Mama, get 2 more ice cake. There are Kuleana, KBA support us up. All the KDA, Kona, Waimea, in Kilo. All the store, they come support us.